Hello everyone. So guys, there is a very important notification which had released. So we will be discussing on that. If you had not subscribed our channel, you can subscribe and you can share with your friends also. Links are in the description. So we'll be discussing in the what is the important notification now. So if you go to the CSAB website, what they had updated DASA and CSAB special for 2026. What does this mean? So we'll be discussing in this video. The first, this means that this year also CSAB will be conducting counseling. Okay. So CSAB will be the conducting authority for the counseling for DASA. The second thing what we understand that this year also counseling will be late. Late means it will be happening in the month of July or August. Another thing what we college, you will be going to the college by August end. So these are the few things which are now very clear. We had already mentioned in the previous videos, if you watch or if you are continuously watching our videos, we had updated that this year also the counseling will be done by CSAB only, because previously it was done by the NITs. So what was happening, the JOSA and this DASA counseling was running parallelly, and the students are blocking seats here also, there also. So now they will be conducting the counseling with the CSAB. I had already explained what exactly CSAB is in a lot of videos, but still CSAB basically after 5 round or 6 round of JOSA counseling, if any seat is vacant, then these seats come under the CSAB. So CSAB basically you can call it a mop-up round also. Anyhow, we have to take participation in the DASA counseling. So this will be happening with the CSAB itself. I hope this important notification is very clear with with all the students. And if any queries, any more details you want, you can join our WhatsApp channel. And we are supporting students, and we kept a very nominal charges for that. So you can join, you can discuss your queries. Thank you.